Loelyn, the Project Officer of Women on Waste Management for Wala Usik.
While Wala Usik is one of the Equality and Plastic Circularity cohorts that's supported by the Incubation Network based in the Philippines.
While Wala Usik believes that the waste management chain is an essential factor to achieve a circular economy.
While Wala Usik is implemented by Philippine Reef and Rainforest Conservation Foundation Incorporated or PRRCFI that focuses on marine conservation, marine litter and solid waste management, sustainability and circular economy, where gender and development is mainstream throughout PRRCFI's programs. The project aims to increase awareness and inspire towards gender-responsive waste management programs by local government units and their partners, and generate more support to women and men, informal waste workers who provide important frontline services to the community.